Miss Bridget. Miss
Yeah?
My Boots on the Ground, what are you doing?
Learning how to do emboga.
Uh-huh.
Boga? Washing too much, huh?
This is fresh from shamba. So there are some sand.
The sand on it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So when you're doing it, you're supposed to do it this way, right?
Njoo. Unapika njoo. Unapika njoo. Njoo. Ona kwa kumanya njoo. Nisi yapenda lakini njoo.
So that's to remove the sand, she says. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because we don't know the sand is all caught in it.
Yeah.
And what type of vegetable is that?
What?
What type of vegetable is that?
There are spinach, mchicha, and mas.
Mm.
I don't know if you know mchicha.
Mchicha.
I
Yeah.
never heard of it, but
It's
it
like
might.
greens?
Yeah. No, it's not a green.
Cabbage?
Mchicha is like what?
Lettuce?
They're kind of African spinach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is the local one.
Oh, it's like an
African
African spinach.
spinach.
Yes.
Chicha?
Oh,
Different
mchicha.
kinds.
Mm-hmm.
You tell me if I'm not doing it right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. It's a large one.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you cut, you only twist it? Or you use a knife?
I use a knife.
Okay.
Yes.
It cooks faster when it's smaller.
Yeah, it's small.
Breaks
Cook
down
better.
No place for chopping it, you know. Not like this. But they do culture, you know.
Yes.
see.
You don't cut your hands or anything.
I see that.
Wow.
Culture.
That's
I
fine.
see. She only turns it. You turn it and cut it. Turn it.
No,
and cut it.
I tell my wife to support to say, oh, our culture not allowed to do that.
Oh.
And I try to support,
The culture won't allow you to use a cutting board?
but I support, but...
What?
I don't know how to use it.
You don't know how to use a
Yeah,
cutting board?
I don't know for it.
It's easy to learn.
Ah,
It's very easy to learn. If you can cut it like that, you
You
can use a
can cut the
cutting
board
board.
like nothing.
Right.
Oh, yeah, you're skilled.
Yeah, it'll be easy for you.
Professional.
You know, our culture is hard a little bit sometimes
I understand.
for men to cook or something. You know, when before marriage, they told you, you need to cook for your husband, everything, blah, blah, blah. No, but
Oh,
we do sometimes. We support if we sick or something, we support. But they say,
wow,
no,
this is very fine. You
It
see
is,
that?
yeah.
yeah.
Wow. My boots on the ground cooking school. Learning.
Yeah.
Vitu kwako.
Yeah, never too old to learn.
I'm telling
Never
you.
too late to learn.
Learn the culture of the land, yes.
Yeah.
So how old were you when you learned how to do this?
It's 10 years old.
10, okay,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, I learned it.
Mm-hmm.
It's our culture. It's our culture.
Uh-huh.
So we're supposed to do it.
Supposed to do it, yes. In USA the same. I learned at 4 or 5, my grandmother. Teaching me to cook, to bake.
Okay.
When you were 5.
When I was 4 or 5.
Yes.
Bell pepper, tomato, onion, and carrot.
Yeah.
Okay. And then both. Vegetable, mixed veg. When you call it, you only call it this tomato. Oh,
Yes, tomato. Yes.
tomato.
Yes.
In the U.S. same, tomato. And this one you call bell pepper? So tell me what's the best thing about your country? What's the best thing about Tanzania? I can tell you right now. The land is beautiful and fertile. And the people are lovely. So you tell me what you think about your country.
But our country is beautiful. We got a lot of things like food. Yeah.
I agree. Nzuri sana. Sana sana.
When you're a young mama doing like that, you wait maybe going away from the. Then you take me a bit of time.
Okay.
Oh.
It's sweet, it's sweet.
Yeah, it's
Uh-huh.
sweet.
Catch you.
Like cabbage.
If your mama catch you, you're in trouble. That day you're in trouble.
So you also use, because you know cabbage is sweet too. Do you also use cabbage in this mboga sometimes? No? No cabbage?
Cabbage day.
We use cabbage with
You know, the regular cabbage.
Yes.
Yeah.
You do?
Yes.
Purple and green?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Purple cabbage, you know. It's the same color as the onion. The cabbage is the same color.
Okay.
Into the pot
Mm-hmm.
she goes. Into the pot with the cooked meat. Now it's becoming dangerous now. Yes. Becoming dangerous. Okay.
That's his natural way.
So once it cooks down to saucy.
Yeah.
Same way to do tomato sauce. You know tomato sauce? Italian tomato sauce.
Okay.
They grate in it's how they get the color. They grate down the cabbage and grate down the tomato. You know, you grate it down small, and you put an onions and add.
Okay. We'll teach us now.
I'll show you. And you taste it. I'm telling you. It's something. So something.
Yes.
A little salt.
A
She
little
just
bit.
put in there.
Oh, the boga. Into the pot.
Yes.
Yes, it cooks down some, yeah. It'll shrink, I know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because it'll break down. Boga. Okay. All right.
All right, let's.
Ugali.
Ugali is what we're fixing.
Maji.
What's
Is
maji?
water in the pot?
Water is maji.
Maji.
Water in the pot. Okay. So now we're making ugali.
A little bit.
Let it boil a little bit? Okay. Gotcha. Oh no, I didn't hear him. My mosquito? Oh no, he's not. Okay. So, 1 cup. So 2 parts water, 1 cup flour.
Cornmeal.
Corn flour.
Yes.
Maize flour.
Maize flour.
Maize
Maize flour. So you see, you check it until you feel
Stir it real good.
Yes. Like normal porridge.
Yes, like porridge, yes.
I guess it's like grits or oatmeal.
Yeah, like grits.
You gotta kind of balance with the water.
So you don't stick, right?
Yes.
Oh. Like grits in the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
It's called grits in U.S.
Grits is what?
Grits. Ugali.
Grits.
U.S. American ugali is grits.
Grits. Oh.
Sorta.
Sorta.
Yeah.
So you get
When you see the texture, you'll see. We cook the same way. We boil in the water first. You pull the grits
Keep
in. You have to
stirring.
keep stirring. You can't let it stick. You have
hot,
to keep
yeah.
stirring. Same. Maybe you put salt in it for the grit. U.S. Ugali.
I put salt on it.
You put salt.
Salt and butter.
Salt and butter.
Yeah.
Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. The same?
Yes.
But salt no.
No salt.
How long do I stop? I stop to stir, or you continue to stir?
You can
You just-
continue until it's
Not
boiled.
often, but
Not often.
stop, check.
And
Not
then-
enough to start it down.
Uh-huh.
Until starting seeing, you start to make like
Popping.
pop, and start.
Like grits.
Boiling.
Oh my God.
she,
I understand this.
she does not
Oh
like
my
to
God.
fix grits.
It's
She doesn't-
American grits, guys.
Right, like that. Just
I
like
promise you. Ugali is like American grits. They popping, 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 popping.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Yes.
It's a burning.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't get. You know, the maize you wait until it becomes hard.
Uh-huh.
No, maize now we process. We wait for sun to make it dried up, and then we we harvest it, and then we go to the machine.
Grind it. Oh yes, so you harden. Yes, it's like grits. I'm telling you, USA grits.
Okay. Mboga angalia. Isa.
Yeah, you see it rising like the grits do with the heat.
Yes, cooking down.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot like grits
Yes,
behavior.
it's like grits.
Just like grits behavior.
Like yours?
It's like grits. It looks like.
It
See?
rises
It
with the
start
heat.
popping, pop,
Turn the
pop,
heat down, it goes back down.
Okay.
Like creamy, you know, like this one's probably creamier than grits. This is like almost like mashed potato.
All right.
I'm awful.
That sure looks like grits.
They
It
look like
does.
mashed potatoes too.
Yeah, it does. It
Grits,
does.
mashed potato, are looking the same.
Yeah.
So the texture will definitely be
Oh,
like
yeah.
smooth, sticky almost. So sticky and smooth.
Be careful.
All right, Miss My Boots on the Ground over there stirring the pot. All right.
But this is professional, let me tell you. How are you?
Hey, you can always learn something
I'm
new.
learning, yes.
Mhm.
Waiting.
So, ugali and beef mboga, chicken is two types or only one? Beef, only.
Beef own one.
Only. Okay. But you never tried the chicken?
Yeah, you can try with chicken.
You can do it whatever, lamb, chicken, or fish, anything? Okay. So you make your choice.
Yeah.
So this one is not supposed to have any salt, any flavor. Only flavor from here. Ah, okay, I see. So then boga is what brings the flavor to the ugali. Kind of like gravy to rice, you know?
It is.
The local way.
It's the local way.
Uh-huh. The local.
Now it's nearly.
Yay, how you?
Right.
Oh, so he wants it to burn me.
He want to see you cry.
And your hogan, you need to make like this, you see? In order to be nice, you know?
You have to be nice, huh?
Yes. To mixing. To mixing.
So you're mashing, stirring. My God.
After checking, so not often. You left
So
it a
not
little bit.
often, only recently.
Let the stick of it, and then you make sure you are not much.
You're gonna take it down some, right? The fire.
Put it down by grits in order to make sure they
Like grits. baby.
Circulate.
circulate and become
Yeah.
nice.
Take that fire down. It's
And
already
cook
thickening
it
up.
well, you know. When you process, you need to be all, and then this side be nice, this side be nice, not one
Oh,
side.
even. Okay, I
You
understand.
know, if you make a full flames, it can make maybe down good and then up
Not so good.
not so good.
Oh, so you have to make it even in the pot all the way around.
Yeah.
When you're moving.
You need to test if the other is ready. You need to check like this. Wait for a while.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But this burger is nearly finished.
Okay.
Wait for a little bit. Yes. And then make last checkup.
Burger is almost finished.
Burger is almost finished. You check it. If your burger, sometimes you can make it, but the burger cannot have water sometimes. You need to add a little bit in order to
have
not
to add
be
it.
dry much.
I understand.
Our local
So you
burger,
want to keep it moist.
yes, moist.
Moist.
Not left it dry.
Okay, don't let it
Yes.
get back. Okay.
You know the soup
Is
we
that
made?
enough though? There should be
Yeah,
added?
yes, it's
good.
enough.
Okay.
You know the soup we made from the meat?
Uh-huh.
You can add there.
The stock.
Yes.
They call it the
Yeah.
beef stock.
The beef,
You can add.
the water boiling the beef, you need to add from
Oh,
the soup, okay?
Okay.
In the soup, okay, inside.
okay.
So you just check now, hamburger is now nice.
Burger.
It's ready for
Consumption.
consumption. So we
Consumption.
switch off our,
You looking for that?
see,
Uh-huh.
there's something remain there down.
Uh-huh. It's
Now,
almost done.
almost done. You
Ah, I
can see.
see.
Yes,
I
almost
see.
done.
I see.
So, after it, this one, in order, although we make sure we keep, in order to be hot, we need to eat something hot.
Okay.
Yes. Not baridi.
Okay. So what's this one?
This one, hot.
Oh, what you gonna do with it? Sit it in there?
You can see this ugali.
You're
Yeah,
gonna put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, I wanna see this.
that's the serving pan.
So, now we switch off.
Okay, so we turn it off here, but we put it in there.
Yeah.
Why do we put it in there? Wanted to keep it hot?
Yes, to keep it hot.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. You see?
I see the bottom, you see? What's the camera?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, take it.
You see?
Yep.
Yes.
Means it's done.
This is done.
Uh-huh.
And this is a big sign showing that it's finished. The ugali is ready.
So when ugali leaves you a proper mess in the pot, then that means it's done.
A sticky mess,
You can
right?
go out to the big room.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
All right.
Boots on the ground?
Boots on the ground.
Boots on the ground.
Yes.
All right.
To eat ugali.
All right.
Karibu chakula.
Like the Ethiopian, there's the bowl, the squeeze and
Let me reduce the voice.
Oh,
So this is the tradition. Okay, we wash our hands first.
all right.
Make sure all hands are washed.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Yes, and then
All right, hold that.
let me hold for you.
Okay.
Our tradition, we make sure you wash all your hands
Yes.
and be clean, and then we eat the food.
Okay.
And then we pray. Before
Okay.
it, we pray, and then we eat the food.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Oh,
Hey.
Little man, he's trying to get in
Oh.
there too. He wants his hands clean because he want to eat.
Make it water for me.
Making a
Small
mess.
baby there.
He said me too.
Yes.
Me too.
Yeah. Yes. Just
Okay.
looking there. Ugali they say is for strong
Yes.
people.
Okay.
Ugali for strong people, you know.
Oh.
If you're weak, you don't eat ugali.
Do not
Hey.
eat ugali.
Okay.
So we can help.
One.
We're about to dig in. So
How do we do?
here we go.
But if tungenyanyua tuweke. Let me help you.
Okay.
Yes. Haya. Nyanyua tuilete meza kidogo.
All right.
He said we forgot about his small hands. Nobody let him wash his hands. You see?
I'm sure he's going to want to eat.
He's
That's for sure.
Oh,
Okay, so they take a scoop by hand.
Matter how much?
yes, depend. I couldn't take care because it's so hot.
Oh, it is hot. Yeah.
Well, this is our first time.
baby.
We do like this.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Yes.
We do like this. With one hand.
Only one.
And you
hand.
make it into a ball.
Yes, make to be a ball. And then you do here you put
A little pocket.
a little
A little hole.
a little hole. And then you put this burger.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
You put
Make
this
sure you put
over.
burger here.
Uh-huh.
And then you take it.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. All right.
I'm trying.
Mrs. My boots on the ground. Let's
Okay,
see
wanna
you.
see. Maybe.
All right. All right. This is our
Uh-huh.
first
There it
ugali
is.
experience. All
We
right.
shall see.
Digging in. All right. It's hot, so be careful.
Yes, sometimes you care because we use local meat. Local meat's not separate
With the bones,
so you
yeah,
need to separate
yeah.
yourself.
This tastes like greens and cornbread.
Ah.
USA
All right, all right.
Southern cooking.
So my turn.
Greens and cornbread.
I got a big bite here. I'm gonna.
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
Take the burger. Let me tell you something.
It's greens and cornbread.
Mm-hmm.
USA greens and cornbread. That's what it is. It's what it tastes like.
Mm-hmm.
Really good. Really,
Okay.
really flavorful.
Not make it so not hot much, you know.
You gotta
Not
divide
hot
it a
much?
little bit.
Yeah.
Divide some of it to
Oh, you
cool
go-
it down some. Mhm.
Separate it.
Yes, you know.
Trying to cool it.
Let it
Cool
cool
it.
down
Yeah,
faster.
spread it out.
Mm-hmm.
You spread it out, it'll cool down faster. I like it.
Make it not much hotter.
I like it.
I like it too.
Tastes like USA greens and cornbread, like Southern style cooking.
Yeah.
Because the ugali is basically maize,
Yeah.
and then the greens and the meat, it's basically like turkey necks and greens
Yeah.
with cornbread.
Yeah.
That's my spiel.
I'd have to agree.
So,
It's good.
Again, using.
Definitely. Digging in again. Yes.
And then ugali.
It's my African queen, y'all.
But in our homes,
Enjoying some African food.
in our homes, not allowed to. You need to eat like this with hotness. We don't care. So the
Just dig in, right?
longest one, eat the most.
Hey,
Right.
I don't care.
burn your fingers and everything, right?
Strongest one.
Yeah.
Oh man.
yeah,
The
that's
weak one you need to say, oh.
Ooh, that's hot.
Hey, you want one finger?
I'm good.
That's right.
I want to eat.
Yes, but I want to take one from the end. Maybe it's not so
See?
hot. Oh, put that.
It's still hot.
It's still hot.
It's
yeah.
still very hot. Yeah.
Still very hot.
Yeah.
Still very hot.
It's good. It's good. It's
But
good.
it's
For
good.
me, for me, it's not hot. It's normal, you know. We already
You're used to it.
used to it for long
Do it all
years.
the time, right? We are officially fans of ugali. What does ugali
One
mean?
back. This one.
What does ugali mean?
In English?
The meaning, yeah.
Uh-huh. How do you do? I'm not scared.
Ugali is a mixing of making a steamed porridge, and then after big boiled, you first of all you make water. The water become a little bit hot. You put maize flour a little bit, and you see if it's become a good porridge, and then you add if it's not okay, and then you mixing it.
So the maize is maize flour is just basically ground corn,
Yes,
fine ground.
yes, fine ground, and then you seal it, mixing it, and then become hard like this, and then you still waiting for a while, and then you mix, waiting for a while, and then you mix until it's become burn little bit, and then you can put it for eating. You see?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
I tried to explain it, but
That's good enough.